What up, y'all? Tim Z here, back at it again, like you can always expect. Know what I mean? And today, I'm doing an unboxing of a ThruNite TC15. Alright, let's get right into it. There's that little paper that says screw down your cap. You know, they don't want any fires happening while they ship the light, so they just unscrew the cap a little bit. Alright, gift card, free flashlight. You guys can get a free flashlight if you buy this light. Alright, that's all you have to do. Warranty information, you know, ThruNite's been very good with their warranty. Definitely. Let's see. Ooh, your favorite. Do not eat that, guys. I don't know how many times I have to tell you. Okay, and yeah, some gaskets, lanyard, all of that stuff, battery cover, replacement usually. Ooh, nice sheath. Okay, that's always nice to have something extra. You know, that's not included with a lot of lights. US. Oh, okay, we got this USB here. All right, and we have the battery. I mean the flashlight clip. You know what I mean? All right, let's get right into the info. I think. All right, let's see. The ink looks a little different on this one. Okay. There's our specs. All right, I don't go into the specs too much, but maxes out at 2300 lumens. And you got a high mode, medium, low, firefly, and strobe, okay? All right. Nice. We have a glass lens here, smooth reflector, okay? So we should have a nice hot spot with this. This one should be throwing more. Let's see how it looks. Okay, guys. Look at that. Desert tan. Oh, they did the ThruNite a little different this time. It's on the back near the battery cover. Wow, the battery cover is a ring that goes around the light on this TC15. Usually it's just like a little piece, but this one has a ring that goes across, and that's what was in the bag I saw. Yeah, let's. Okay, this light comes apart in 3 pieces. 4? No, 3. There you go. The head, the barrel, and the battery cap. Okay, so let's put this light back together. It's threads on real smooth. Okay. Oh, and I didn't show the battery up close. 18650. Okay. 18650 is a popular everyday carry size battery because it gives you a lot of power and it's not that big or heavy. Okay, it's just like the standard for EDC. Yeah, so let's put on this clip because usually I like to run clips on my EDC lights, on all my lights pretty much. So the clip looks like it goes here. It's not reversible, it seems like. So I'll just put the clip on. Oh, okay. There's some tension there, guys. That's good. It's not going to fall out of your pocket. If you want to loosen it up, you can pull it, stretch it a little, you know, work it. But I'm not going to do that. So let's see. No tail cap button on this, just the one on the side. Let's get through the modes like we usually do. I don't want to waste y'all time. Ready? Usually on ThruNites, we know to get to Firefly, you just hold the button down. All right. There you go. That's Firefly. That's it. 1 lumen for 41 days, guys. That's a long time. Okay. Now, there's low. Hold it down again. Medium. I'm blinding myself. And high. Oh, low. Medium. Low. Okay, medium. High. Okay, that's high. All right. And turbo mode is over here. Double tap. I am going blind. So the turbo mode might not have seemed a little that much brighter, but that's because the light is showing that it needs to be charged. You see, I told you this is an unboxing. I did not open this beforehand, so this is for real. My first impressions also. So there you go. This tells you need to charge your light. All right. So let's get to strobe mode real quick. All right, let me do it again. 4 taps is a strobe. It's a nice strobe, okay? You can run this strobe for 180 minutes on a fully charged battery. It has 830 lumens, okay? All right, now let's take a look at the light, all right? There you go. It's smooth reflector, just like they said, glass lens, all right? So it's not gonna melt. It's very deep in there, so you're gonna get a lot of much more throw instead of a flood here. And let's see, there should be a nice hot spot in the middle. Let's check it out. All right, so let me just, okay. Yeah, you got a big hot spot here. All right, we can see it like this better. Hot spot, okay, and you got a little bit of spill around it. All right, this center part is super hot right now, but yeah, don't touch the lens when it's running too long, okay guys? But from my experience, ThruNites don't get that hot. You know, they get hot, but they don't make you drop the light on the floor. And that's something that's great about ThruNite. Olights melt their lenses sometimes and whatever, but I know some of y'all hate the Olight shade, but I'm just telling you, this is a really nice light. And you know, you don't have to wait for any flash sales. It's like always on sale. It's priced to sell, and it's on Amazon. You know, everyone's go-to site almost. You know, this is a nice light. All right, this desert tan is a little bit darker than others. I think this one's definitely more brownish. You know, I don't want to blind myself with the light. This light is definitely more brown and bronzish color, you know, instead of light brown. You know what I'm saying? This one's a different kind of desert tan than what I've seen on other lights. Yeah. So this light is really nice. I mean, look at the size compared to the T1. You can carry this in your pocket. This is carryable in your pocket, obviously. But here's a T1S, T1s, all right? So it's shorter than 2 T1s stacked up next to each other, right? There you go. It's great. This is a nice looking light, okay? I always have a lot of ThruNites nowadays, okay? Looks good with this combo over here, right? Maybe you don't like that. Put it next to the Benchmade. You know, yeah, so you got a nice grip here. I know I'm just rambling, but this is my style, and a lot of y'all guys like this style, so I'm just doing it the way that you like it. You know, not too serious like some of you guys on YouTube. I just do this thing for fun, you know. But for those who do get paid off of YouTube, that's a nice job. Can you imagine? You could just sit around and plan videos all day long, think of cool new content. I would love to do that. Yeah. So I don't think I'm gonna keep on rambling because I'm trying to keep this under 10 minutes. You know, get more views. So what do you guys think about this light? Are you gonna pick one up? Yeah. All right, guys. Give this a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you want to follow me on Instagram, it's TimZUSA. I probably should leave a link in this video description. I'll leave a video link in the video description for this light and my IG. Okay? And until next time, TimZ out.